Сначала. Здравствуйте, меня зовут Уэсли Карвальо и... This and все. The new album of Beyoncé, I like. There's a new song of Justin Bieber, the name is Holy, and it's very beautiful. And that's it for now. I qualify in people, character, and personality. If you see someone as a strong person, it's definitely a lot of personality and character that comes and show. My very first job was as a telemarketing. I was 18 years old and my mom said, well, you need to work somewhere. I know you love ballet so much, but it's not giving you any money and maybe we'll never give you. So I find a job that I could work in the morning and in the afternoon and night, I would go to the ballet. That was my first job and I did not like it and it's very difficult and I appreciate everybody that does this job because it's really hard and I feel for you. After that, I told my dad I had a big competition coming up as a ballet dancer, and I told my dad, look, I cannot do the job and the ballet with all my energy. And my dad said, no, you don't need to work, I will help you with everything. And then I went to the competition and afterwards I got the contract. But I like to cook a lot. I feel like it's a therapy for me. I always separate a time to cook and to put my music and enjoy this time because we always go to cook always in a rush and this food has to be ready so fast and I don't like that. I like to give myself a time and enjoy this period. I like it. I felt one time on stage, I went all the way on the floor and it was right on the beginning. I had 1 second panic and then I looked to the sides and my friend just go, keep going! And then I just stand up and continue dancing. And then afterwards, the jury say to me like, oh my God, the judges say, it was so good that you kept on going and smiling and I was like, no, come on.